Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Selfkey. I just wanted to make a video because I think it has potential to rally here, which is always interesting. I know you guys are also interested in that, so that's why I wanted to make a video on that. My thoughts are not completely clear on Selfkey, but what we're seeing, just to dive right into the analysis, and if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We'll do a full analysis. All right, so I'll try to tell you everything you need to know. If you take a look at the open interest, you can see a weird spike up here. I'm not sure if this is actually correct. It could be. It could be this little spike it had, but I'm just not sure. But you can see that the open interest has been in an uptrend, at least for the last day. Like, it started at 7.3, it's now around $9 million. So that's an increase of about like 30%, which means that Selfkey has a lot of momentum. And then apart from that, you can also see that the price action and the market structure is quite bullish. So the big question then is well, can it actually rally? Right? Because we want to see a rally up to the major resistance levels right here at 0.63 and 0.64 cents. So that's 0.0064, 0.64 cents. And then potentially even higher up to like 0.72 cents. We want to know that. So we know it has momentum, but we need to see that last bullish confirmation. And I'm not sure what that is. Like, we could have already seen it, because you see that key actually broke above the 0.618 fib right here. That's a bullish breakout, and that's bullish confirmation. I don't think that's enough. I think there's a key level right here, which is more important. And that's between, they're weird levels, but that's between 0.0586 and then 0.057. So 0.57 cents and then 0.59 cents kind of. And personally, I think that level has to break, or at least we need to see the open interest continue to increase, so we know the momentum is still there while it's testing resistance. And then either if the open interest and the volume are still increasing while it tests 0.58 and 0.59 cents, or if it breaks above that level, I think it will rally. All right. Right now, though, it's difficult to say. Like, I would say that the most likely scenario is that it will rally, but that doesn't mean it will happen. I mean, trading and analyzing is all about probabilities. All right. So yes, I think the most likely scenario is that key will rally, but I wouldn't enter right now. Like, I would not take a trade on it. I would wait for that confirmation. Apart from that, what might also be interesting is to check out some liquidation levels. I haven't done that, but let's do it. And that tells us that there's a big liquidation actually at that resistance. All right, so probably if it gets close to that resistance, while there's still momentum, it will probably break above that. All right, so that's also quite interesting, and you can see that the liquidation levels are actually quite low, like they're right here, and there's still a lot of support below that. So yeah, we'll have to see. Most likely scenario is a rally, but if key is not able to break above 0.58 and 0.57 and 0.59 cents today, then the situation is completely different, and it might not be the most likely scenario anymore. All right, so that's always the difficult thing with these videos. Keep an eye on the open interest and the volume yourself as well. You can do that on Leviathan right here. You can do it for free. Check it out there. But for now, these are my thoughts on key. If you want to know when I enter key and with which entry, stop loss, take profit, consider joining the premium group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also gain access. There's more perks to a community full of traders and my trading guide. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.